For top-notch window installation and energy-efficient windows in Slidell, look no further than our expert Slidell window contractors. Specializing in double-pane windows and vinyl windows, we ensure your home is equipped with the best window styles and window designs. Our custom windows Slidell services cater to your unique needs, providing window measurement and window fitting Slidell solutions that guarantee a perfect fit every time. In addition to our window services, we also provide professional installation of entry doors. Slidell homeowners trust for durability, security, and enhanced curb appeal. When it comes to window installation and window glass replacement, our Slidell window installation experts are second to none. We offer comprehensive window frame installation and window sealing services. Slidell residents trust. Our window caulking and window insulation Slidell services enhance your home's energy efficiency, keeping your space comfortable year-round. For those seeking window maintenance and window upgrade Slidell options, our team is ready to assist with all your needs. Affordable window replacement Slidell is within reach with our competitive window replacement cost options. Our Slidell window services include a wide range of window hardware, window screens, and window tinting solutions. Whether you're interested in window shutters Slidell or Slidell window blinds, we have the products and expertise to enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. In addition to residential window replacement Slidell, we also specialize in entry door installation Slidell. Our Slidell window glass services ensure that your windows are not only beautiful but also durable and efficient. Trust our Slidell window contractors to deliver exceptional results with every project, from window styles Slidell to window design Slidell. For those in need of window fitting Slidell and window hardware Slidell, our team provides expert guidance and installation. Our window screens Slidell and Slidell window tinting services offer added privacy and protection from the elements. With window shutters Slidell and Slidell window blinds, you can customize your home's look and feel to match your personal style. Choose our Slidell window services for all your window and entry door needs. From energy-efficient windows Slidell to custom windows Slidell, we are committed to delivering quality and satisfaction. Contact us today to learn more about our window upgrade Slidell and window maintenance Slidell offerings, and discover why we are the preferred choice for window solutions in Slidell. Slidell window contractors are your go-to experts for all window installation needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or custom windows Slidell, our team provides top-notch window services. We specialize in window fitting Slidell, ensuring that every window is perfectly installed to enhance your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Window installation is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your home. Our Slidell window installation experts are skilled in window frame installation and window glass replacement. We offer comprehensive Slidell window glass services to address any issues, from minor cracks to full replacements, ensuring your windows are as good as new. Energy-efficient windows Slidell are a smart investment for any homeowner. These windows help reduce energy costs by providing superior insulation. Our window insulation Slidell services ensure that your home remains comfortable year-round, while our window sealing services Slidell prevent drafts and leaks. We also offer installation of entry doors Slidell, giving homeowners a secure and stylish entryway that complements their new energy-efficient windows. Vinyl windows Slidell are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance. Our Slidell window contractors offer a wide range of vinyl window styles to suit any home design. With our window upgrade Slidell services, you can enhance your home's curb appeal and energy efficiency. Window maintenance is essential for prolonging the life of your windows. Our Slidell window maintenance services include window caulking and window sealing to keep your windows in top condition. Regular maintenance can prevent costly installations and extend the lifespan of your windows. Custom windows Slidell offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home. Our window design Slidell experts work with you to create windows that reflect your style and meet your needs. From window measurement to window hardware selection, we ensure every detail is perfect. Affordable window replacement. Slidell is within reach with our competitive pricing. We provide transparent window replacement cost estimates, so you know exactly what to expect. Our residential window replacement Slidell services are designed to fit any budget without compromising quality. Window styles and window design. Slidell are important considerations for any home renovation. Our team offers a variety of window styles, from traditional to modern, to complement your home's architecture. With our window fitting Slidell expertise, you can achieve the perfect look for your home. Window screens. Slidell and window tinting are excellent additions to any window installation. They provide added privacy and protection from the sun's harmful rays. Our Slidell window services include professional installation of window screens and window tinting to enhance your home's comfort. Entry door installation. Slidell is another service we offer to improve your home's security and aesthetic. Our team ensures that your entry doors are installed with precision and care, complementing your new windows perfectly. Trust us for all your entry door and window needs in Slidell. Window shutters. Slidell and window blinds are functional and stylish window treatments. Our Slidell window blinds and shutters come in various designs to suit any decor. They offer privacy, light control, and an added layer of insulation, making them a practical choice for any home. For a complete home upgrade, we also install entry doors. Slidell, providing durable and visually appealing entry solutions that enhance both security and curb appeal.